Yo, what's up, my people? How y'all doing? Today we got back and shoulders. I just want to show y'all a quick little rundown of what I'm doing today. See, that's day 3. Just a little quick glimpse. I don't give y'all everything. I can't give y'all everything, you know what I'm saying? But that's what I got. That's the part of the program that I'm on. Try to build my strength back up and put on some size. Right now I'm on my first exercise. I've been warming up. I done did about 4 warm-up sets just to try to get to my where I can feel comfortable doing 10 reps. Not comfortable, but where 10 reps are going to give me a challenge. And the weight that I thought would give me a challenge is not. So I just keep going up and up and up on the weight. So I mean, until I get there, that's what I'm gonna do. But doing some rows. That's 205 pounds right there. 2 45-pound plates, 2 35-pound plates, and a 45-pound bar. So 205, all right? So I want y'all to check me out right quick. I'm gonna set my camera up. I'm going for 10 reps. Let's see what it do. All right, now as y'all can see, I got my 10 reps right there. That's 205. I think I did pretty good with it. I could get better with my form, but I'm just trying to build up some strength. So, holla at your boy.
110 pounds, ladies and gentlemen.
Every day I'm on the grind, yeah.